This is the Iowa Weather Report for Tuesday, December 17th, 2013. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. This is at noon today. We still have a northwesterly flow coming across the state. Some energy with the short wave moving to the east of the state, taking the chances of light snow that we've had the last couple of days away from us. But this is going to keep the temperatures quite cool around here today. Highs will be mainly in the 20s north and east to maybe the 30s south and west as warm air starts to entrain back into the state from the south and west. And you can really see that here on Wednesday as the height levels come way up. The 540 line is all the way into Minnesota and Wisconsin. That'll boost temperatures across the state above freezing for the first time across the state in over several days, and several weeks in fact. Thursday it'll be clouding up as the system begins to approach from the west and southwest, a low pressure center down near the Oklahoma-Texas Panhandle. Some moisture will come up in the form of some rain or wintry mix. It'll change over to maybe some slight snow before ending Friday. You can see the GFS has a little bit of snow across northwestern Iowa Friday afternoon as the system has departed to our east. But that system starts to slow down. A new low-pressure center develops over the piney woods of East Texas, and then this one is going to start moving straight northeast, and this could clip the southeastern counties on Sunday with a little bit of snow activity. We'll have to see how far north that snow comes. Some models have had it all the way into the southeastern quarter to half of the state, while the GFS has it only just around the Mississippi River. But temperatures will cool off Sunday and even into Monday, back into the 20s, maybe a few upper teens. A little bit of a clipper system moving through next Monday that could bring a little bit of light snow or flurry activity then. But then as we head to a week from today, which is Christmas Eve, the last shopping day, the running for the stores to get the last minute gift, and you can see around here a little bit of energy to our east, a little bit to our north, flow coming out of the north and west, and maybe a flurry or a light snow shower near the Iowa-Minnesota border. Better chances up near the Twin Cities into Wisconsin. Otherwise, temperatures will probably be near seasonal levels in the 20s to near 30 if this is to be correct. Going into the extended period, on the 28th, we have one system moving off the New England coast into the Canadian Maritimes. Another hanging back over the Intermountain West. Flow pretty much westerly around here. That's going to keep the temperatures, well, sort of warming up at this point. The 540 line moving across the eastern and northeastern counties. So highs will likely be in the 20s to lower to mid-30s across the state with some precipitation to our north and west if this is to be right. Then at the end of the forecast, on the 1st of January 2014, you can see we have an upper level feature off the Southern California coast. A split flow coming in from the northwest and the southwest that converges just to our west. But this would mean maybe seasonal temperatures around 30 or so, maybe mid-20s north to low 30s in the south. Precipitation to our southeast and well off to our south and west as well, but nothing around here if this is to be right. The satellite image from last evening, you see a couple of high and mid-level clouds across the area. That was bringing a few snow flurries and snow showers to the area. This will be moving off to the east and bringing quite a bit of snow over to New England and the mid-Atlantic states later in the week. But then as we look at the watch warning map, you can see there's the winter weather advisories from Pennsylvania through New England up into Maine or so, with the Clipper system, a frost advisory in Georgia and Florida, and a couple of issues across the Pacific Northwest. The QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Saturday evening at 6 o'clock showing some precipitation around here, could be upwards of maybe a quarter to a half an inch in the southeast, and most of that was going to be in the form of some snow.